Good evening, ma'am. BJMP classification of rank and insignias from highest to lowest. In the commissioned officer, jail director, 2 stars. Jail chief superintendent, 1 star. Jail senior superintendent, 3 Sampaguita leaves. Jail superintendent, 2 Sampaguita leaves. Jail chief inspector, 1 Sampaguita leave. Jail senior inspector, 2 Anahaw leaves. Jail inspector, 1 Anahaw leave. And the non-commissioned officer. Senior jail officer 4 is JO4, 4 chevrons. Senior jail officer 3 is JO3, 3 chevrons. Senior jail officer 2 is JO2, 2 chevrons. Senior jail officer 1 is JO1, 1 chevron. Jail officer 3, JO3, 3 bars. Jail officer 2, JO2, 2 bars. Jail officer 1, JO1, 1 bar. Thank you, ma'am.